Daggum!
You heard it from them, folks. The reason teenagers are deciding to wear diapers at the age of 14 is because...
Sign up for XRSM only one clipboard. Oh, the doodly-doo!
What? It's my free Bible and I need it now!
Whoa! It's my free Bible and I want it now!
Yeah!
What? It's my free Bible. How do you like it?
The baby in the bibs. Sweet.
Well, I had a partner.
Jesus.
Over here, didn't it?
Oh,
Did you get your Bible?
No.
The 1 minute Bible? You can read it in a whole day, you know? Spend 1 minute in it and I guarantee you get this whole thing done. It's a done deal. It's only yours for $5.
I don't have any money, sir.
Then why are you here? But it's okay. God still loves you. And I reckon you sit in one of these dim other seats right there, you get to know him better.
I'll take the whole church.
Done! Look up there! What is that?
Is it a bird?
Is it a plane?
Is it Spider-Man?
No, it's RSM Man! The way RSM Man gained his powers is because he was a first-time guest at RSM. He picked up a guest bag. If it's your first time here tonight and you haven't picked one up already, you should go do that right now.
Hey guys, is RSM not enough for you? Do you need more Jesus in your life? Well, this isn't the only place you can get your fill. You should come to the Rock on Sundays over at the Boys and Girls Club. It has coffee, donuts, and Jesus.
Nerd!
Hey, Alex.
Hey, what?
Do you have a hole in your shoe?
What? No.
Then how'd you get your foot in it?
Hey Alex,
Hey, what?
do you like bacon manatee power?
No, I prefer to learn sign language.
Whatever your favorite shirt design is, you can go to the snack bar, which should be, which way would it be, Alex? This way. This way. They're $5, and there's different designs. Bacon manatee power. We don't sell Space Invaders anymore. Do not leave before your parents get here.
Ty, free!
Whoa! It's my money and I need it now!
No, free Bible.
Oh. I said the real commercial, didn't I?
Yes?
And then we'll do break here between 2. Three, 2, 1.
What? It's my money!
Two of you said the.
It just goes.
Two of you said the real thing.
It's my man.
It's like you have poop in your mouth.
You just made it a trash can!
Bloopers.